In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Edexcel A-Level Maths from June 2022, question 12. My name is Sunil Tanna. I'm a tutor and author. I'm available for one-to-one tuition, both online and in person. I live in Buckinghamshire, England. Please like and subscribe. Show that the integral from 1 to e squared of x cubed times natural log or ln of x dx is equal to a times e to the 8 plus b, where a and b are rational constants to be found. Okay, so when you look at this, you're going to use integration by parts, which is the most obvious thing when you have two expressions of this type multiplied together. And you may remember the integration by parts formula is the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. Now, if you know what the antiderivative, the integral of natural log of x is, you could do it that way round because you're going to integrate one and differentiate one of the two parts of the expression. But probably the one that you know off the head is what the derivative of natural log of x is, x to the minus 1. So we're going to assign u to be natural log of x. So we'll say u is natural log of x, which means du is 1 over x, which is the same as x to the power minus 1. We're going to say that dv is x cubed, so when we integrate that, v will be x to the 4 over 4. So now if we do our integral here, we would have let's do the integral here, so 1 to e squared x cubed natural log of x dx. So we're going to get uv, which is this times this, which is, I'll write the natural log, so natural log of x times x to the 4 over 4. I'll write to the x to the 4 over 4 first, times natural log of x, minus the integral of v du. So v is x to the 4 over 4, and then du is x to the minus 1, and of course dx here. Now we could put a plus c, but since we're going to do a definite integral, we needn't put that in for now. This part is on the next line. This part is going to be unchanged. This is going to be x come out to x cubed over 3, over 4. So we need to integrate x cubed over 4. So this will be x to the 4 over 4 times natural log of x, and then remember it was x cubed over 4. So when we integrate that, it'll be x to the 4 over 16. And then plus c, but since we're doing a definite integral, we're going to put the limits in, which is going to be 1 and e squared. Okay, so if we put e squared to the power 4, that will be e to the 8 over 4, and then we'll have minus times natural log of e squared, and then we'll have minus, again, e to the 8, this time over 16. And now we're going to put 1 into each expression. So we'll have 1 to the power 4, which is just 1 over 4 times natural log of 1, which of course is 0. We'll do that in the next line. And then minus 1 to the power 4 over 16, so minus 1/16. Okay. Now here, natural log of e squared, our opposite, you could bring the 2 outside if you want, so it'll be 2 times natural log of e, and natural log of e is just 1, so it's just 2. So here we're going to have 2 times e to the 8 over 4, which is the same as a half of e to the 8, or since 16 is a common denominator through quite a few terms, we'll write it as 8 over 16 times e to the 8, 8 over 16 being the same as a half, minus 1/16 times e to the 8. Now here we have minus, this first term is 0, and a minus would be plus 1/16, and then we're now done. So 8/16 minus 1/16 of e to the 8 is 7/16 times e to the 8, and then plus 1/16. So the rational constants here are a is 7/16 and b is 1/16, and that completes question 12.